the basic differentiation rules. Let's discuss the first 5 rules, which are: Rule number 1, the constant rule. If f of x is equals to c, then, and this c is constant, then f of f prime of x is equals to 0. This means that the derivative of a constant is equals to 0. For example number 1, let's say that f of x is equals to 5. Then the derivative of this term is f prime of x is equals to 0, since this is a constant. Another example is f of x is equals to square root of 2. Since this is also a constant, this is still a constant, then f prime of x is equals to 0. Now let's move on to the rule number 2, the power rule. Now if f of x is equals to x raised to n, then f prime of x is equals to nx raised to n minus 1. So sa rule po na ito, ang exponent po natin is multiply po siya, mapupunta po siya sa front, and then yung exponent is subtract to 1. For example number 1, if f of x is equals to x raised to 3, yung derivative po nito is mapupunta yung exponent nito sa harap, bali magiging 3x, and then minus 1 is 2. Kaya ang derivatives nito is f prime of x is equals to 3x squared. Or another example is g of x is equals to 1 over x cubed. Sa term po na ito, para matanggal po siya sa fraction, magiging negative yung 3. Kaya, this is gonna be x raised to negative 3. So, ang next step naman po natin is magiging, ito mapupunta sa harap, which means that negative 3x raised to negative 3 minus 1. So, ang magiging sagot po nito is negative 3x raised to negative 4. And, or if ayaw nyo po na merong negative yung exponent nyo, magiging negative 3 over x raised to 4. Rule number 3, the constant multiple rule. This is where we apply both constant and power rule. So if f of x is equals to k times h of x, then f prime of x is equals to k times the derivative, or h prime of x. So for example number 1, f of x is equals to 5x raised to 3 over 4. So this is the constant, and then this is the power rule. This is where we apply both rules. Kaya this will be f times the power rule, where we put the exponent in front, 3 over 4 x raised to 3 over 4 minus 1. So next step is that we will multiply the constant here sa 3 over 4. Bale, magiging 15 over 4 x raised to negative 1 over 4, since 3 over 3/4 minus 1 is negative 1/4. Or, para matanggal yung negative sa exponent, magiging 15 over 4x raised to 1/4. Rule number 4, addition and subtraction, where this is if f of x is equals to g of x plus minus h of x, then f prime of x is equals to g prime of x plus minus h prime of x. So for example number 1, f of x is equals to 3x squared minus 7x. So ang ating g of x is g x squared, and then h of x naman ay negative 7x, where kunin lang natin yung derivative is 6x, since 2 times g is 6, and then minus 1, so 6x na lang siya. Kaya this is the derivative of g of x. Sa h of x, magiging negative 7 na lang siya, since 1 times negative 7 is negative 7, and 1 minus 1 is 0. Kaya ito yung magsisilbing 1, and mawawala na siya since 0 na siya. So next step is pagsasamahin lang yung dalawang term na to. Bale, f prime of x is equals to 6x minus 7. Rule number 5, last rule natin ay the product rule. This is where the derivative of f of x times g of x is equals to f of x times g prime of x plus g of x times f prime of x. Bale, for our example, y is equals to 3x squared minus 4 times x squared minus 3x. So, i-determine muna natin which ang f of x tsaka g of x. Bale, ang f of x natin is 3x squared minus 4, and then ang g of x natin ay x squared minus 3x. Tapos, next is kukunin natin yung derivatives of these terms. Bale, sa 3x squared minus 4, magiging f prime of x is equals to 6x. Ito ay constant, magiging 0 na lang siya. 2 times 3 is 6, so 6x. Ang g of x naman natin ay magiging 2x minus 3. And then, next step naman ay pagsusunod-sunodin na natin siya. Gagawin na natin siya, susundin na natin siya from this pattern. Bali, ang f of x is 3x squared minus 4 times g prime of x, which is this 2x minus 3 plus g of x, which is x squared minus 3x times f prime of x, which is 6. Ngayon, uunahin natin yung pag-multiply. Bali dito, tsaka ito. Now, y prime is equals to 6x cube. Ito. Pag multiply lang natin. And then, next term is this. FOIL method. Gagamitin natin yung FOIL method. Bali, 6x cubed minus 9x squared minus 8x plus 12. And then, proceed dito sa term na to, which is 6x cubed minus 18x squared. So, hindi pa nagtatapos dyan. We will now combine the like terms. Bali, y prime is equals to 12x cubed. Itong 6x cubed and 6x cubed, making 12x cubed minus 27x squared, yung negative 9x squared and negative 18x squared, minus 8x, wala na siyang katulad, so copy na lang, and plus 12, ganun lang din. So, ang ating sagot is y prime is equals to 12x cubed minus 27x squared minus 8x plus 12.